Welcome to the class Dutch Pronunciation for Beginners, Consonant Letters. I'm your teacher, Dr. William Guo. In this class, I'll teach you the common pronunciation rules of all the Dutch consonant letters. For example, how to pronounce the letter R in normal situations and how to pronounce it if it appears at the end of a word. I'll also explain the pronunciation rules of some common letter combinations. This class is in fact a video course that accompanies a textbook I've published. The book is called Dutch Pronunciation and Spelling for Beginners. If you successfully complete this class and study the chapters in the book that explain the pronunciation rules of the Dutch vowel letters, you'll be able to pronounce most Dutch words based on the spelling, even if you've never heard or seen the words before. Although I was not born or raised in the Netherlands, I've been living in this country for more than 20 years and have plenty of experience teaching Dutch. I've published 4 Dutch textbooks and I've made many Dutch tutorial videos that are available on my YouTube channels. As I myself have learned Dutch as a foreign language, I understand exactly what kind of obstacles international learners come across in their learning process. Although I have a demanding job as a qualified Dutch lawyer, I've still invested a lot of time to create this class and to write the book. That's because it took me a significant amount of time to master the Dutch pronunciation when I first came to the Netherlands, and I really don't want you to go through such a difficult learning process too. So in this class and in the book, I've arranged all the important things I've learned about Dutch pronunciation in a clear, systematic, and easy to understand way, so that you'll be able to master the pronunciation much faster and much more easily than I did. I'm very glad you found this class, and I can't wait to share all the useful things I've learned about Dutch pronunciation with you in the following lessons. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.